Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sophanie. Make sure you subscribe and click that bell to be the first one receiving notification when I post a new video. I upload videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok to see what I am up to and get to know me better so we can be besties, girl. For today's video, I'm going to create this gorgeous look. If you're interested in seeing how I completed it, keep on watching. I know some of y'all might be tired of seeing me doing my brows over and over in every video. I'm gonna keep doing this for a while because I have new makeup beginners in here and I want them to learn and see how everything is done. So be patient with me, y'all. I use a brow pencil I bought from the dollar store in color deep brown on my eyebrows. Now I am perfecting them with mineral concealer by Kiss in color honey. Make sure you use a flat pointed concealer brush to do this and try to get really close with the brow to correct any mistakes. After applying any products, make sure you blend before moving to the next one. Now I am using my Juvia's Place Concealer in number 12 as an eyeshadow base for my beginners. If you want to achieve a really nice eyeshadow look, you must use a concealer or an eyeshadow base to get the best result. Y'all, I really need some new eyeshadow palettes. That coronavirus messed everything up. I'm kind of scared to order online and the stores are closed. It's crazy out here. So we're gonna keep reusing these products and create different looks till this whole thing is over. That's crazy. So next I'm taking the Sarahin 2 eyeshadow palette by GPS Place and go in with this brown shade. So as you can see, I am tapping in the color and make it very pigmented. I'm taking my Huda eyeshadow palette and go in with this shade right here to blend the outer crease. I am tapping that in. Do not sweep the product when blending the first shade edges. I'm going to show y'all where to sweep, but it's optional. So we are done blending out the first shade. We can see that ombre in between. So now to have a soft brow bone, I am sweeping out the edges of the second shade towards my brows. I'm going back to the Juvia's Place palette and take that shimmer mint green and place that in the center of my eyelid. I'm doing this easy method for my beginners. If you are just started doing makeup or not too good at cut crease with concealer and you wanted to achieve a halo eyes, this is the easiest way to do so. Make sure you use a flat header brush so you can use the tape to make the cut sharp like you see me doing so you can actually look like a cut crease. To blend that shimmer, I am using the two shade I've used earlier in order. Now I am using my Palladio liquid eyeliner and draw my wing. I am using one of my favorite GVS Place foundation called Burkina, and I'm blending it in with a damp beauty blender. Make sure you blend that neck, honey. So next, I am going to highlight underneath my eyes, forehead, chin, and the bridge of my nose with the GVS Place Concealer number 15. Then go in with the number 12. I don't get enough sleep at night. I be going to bed mad late, and my dark circles are getting worse every day. So to cancel that, you must use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone so you can look more awakened. I am blending that with the clean side of the same beauty blender. I am setting that concealer with Juvia's Place Setting Powder in Kalahari, then contour with Juvia's Place Contour Foundation in Congo. To make my highlight and contour looks natural, I am going to sweep that Rimmel powder in between, then go back to the Juvia's Place palette, use that orange shade for blush as usual. For glow, I'm using Juvia's Place Nubian highlighters. Oh my god, y'all, I love Juvia's Place highlighters. They look natural and soft on skin. Yes. I'm going in with this P. Louise eyeshadow base in Winter Rose on my waterline. Then go in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Then spray my face with NYX setting spray. For lipstick, I'm going to use this Use NYX Suede Cream Lipstick. Okay, you all, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notification. Feel free to share my video with anyone. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching.